Hey everyone! Welcome back to Threadz and Fadz. Got old jeans and wondering what to do with them? Looking for a unique doormat design? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to turn your old jeans into a durable doormat. This is an exciting project to reuse old jeans, so let's get started. First, we need to prepare the jeans to create a plain fabric. Now that we have the plain fabrics, we can begin making the pattern. After cutting the patterns, sew the fabric pieces according to the design. To achieve the desired design, keep the lines aligned to the center. Adding an extra layer is optional, but it definitely makes the doormat more durable. As you can see, I sew between the horizontal lines to keep the inner layers and fabric scraps secure. To give it a polished look, let's add the binding. And here's your finished doormat, ready for use. How cool is that? We turned old jeans and fabric scraps into a durable doormat. That's it for this episode. If you loved it, hit like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. See you in the next one.